right, you guys, I'm back with another pre-customized wig from ISEE Hair. I'm going to show you guys what it looked like straight out of the box here on the screen. But basically, this hair company has been one of my favorites. They've always been one of my favorites, but as of recently, with like the way that they do their wigs in particular, like they are definitely probably killing it right now when it comes to these type of pre-customized wigs. I've showed you guys their packaging before, and I always keep theirs. I don't really break it down just because they put like a lot of effort and energy into their packaging. Like the box is flawless, everything that they give you on the inside. If you guys haven't seen my last video of their newest ocean wave texture, you guys can check out that video if you guys want to know exactly like all the little stuff that comes in here. So I'm going to give you guys all the details, of course, but I am going to just let you guys watch me install this wig. So a couple things, if you guys want to know the products that I use, I'm going to probably use, if I have enough of this, the Even Lace Bond, specifically the black can, to melt this lace. Even though this is a glueless unit, it is a frontal, so I'm going to need a little bit of extra reinforcement, specifically like on the ear tab area.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it.
So do you guys see how that lace is pretty much non-existent? I credit that to the lace already being flawless and the lace tint that I use. I'm going to leave this side, that way when I put the product on I can use this to hold it down, but that looks pretty good so far. We may not go in and use anything. I may only use product right here on the ear tab. We'll see.
I wanna see how.
I'm just not really a big fan of frontals anymore, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to just, because I'm not going to sit here and struggle with this ear tab. That's why I stopped wearing them in the first place, because I just don't have the patience for that. I'm going to pull out a little bit of my edges.
Rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice. We time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. You do. Show me something. Give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you're a good guy. Make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it. I wanna see it. See how. Rewind. When we rewind, it feels so nice. I can't help how. Got this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say less to me.
Okay, so this part of the video is going to be pretty quick and straightforward. After all, there's not really too much that you can say about a straight wig. Either it's going to be good or it's not. So as I mentioned previously, this is from one of my favorite hair companies, ISEE Hair. This is their pre-bleached silky straight HD lace wig, and it is exactly just that. I love their straight hair, by the way. Just to kind of pivot off topic, I used to get their straight bundles back in the day a lot, to either use it for mainly for wig purposes, but if you were looking for like some good straight hair for sewing or to make your own wig, definitely look into checking out their bundles. It's the same quality as their wigs, very silky, hence the name, and they're pretty affordable too. So I just thought I'd throw that out there. They do everything for. This is a fully customized wig. It does come with the pre-plucked hairline, the pre-bleached knots. It is HD lace. I also do have it in 26 inches. Just for reference, it's always true to length. I never have any issues with their wig being less than what it's supposed to. And the density on it, of course, is 180% density. So really all that I can say is that I love their straight hair. I love what they're doing with these new wigs, where they're doing everything for you. So far, out of all the companies that I've been trying these types of pre-customized wig for, they definitely have been getting it right in terms of making sure that the knots are bleached correctly and that they're not over bleached, because sometimes I have been experiencing that with some of the other kind of, you know, wigs that are very similar to this, but it's just, that's an easy fix. But I'm just pointing out that with them, they are making sure to be very particular about these wigs, and they are customizing them literally to perfection, you guys. There's not anything that you need to do, and if you find that you do need to do something, that's just your own discretion of you know, further tweaking it to your liking. But they are ready to wear straight out of the box. The only thing I guess that I'm not too crazy about is the fact that this is a 13x4 HD lace wig. I probably should have paid a little bit better attention to that, because I personally am kind of over frontals, and especially a 13x4. That's for obvious reasons, because the parting space with 13x4 lace wigs is extremely limited. So I'm gonna tilt my head so you guys can see. I really have to kind of like angle my part here, because right on the other side of this line, that's where the tracks are. So that's just a little tiny, you know, row of hair that's covering that. And then same with right here. So it's not a lot of room to work with, and I know that. That's why I just don't prefer these anymore. I had to really kind of finesse it. I wouldn't recommend that you wear this in the middle part, because it looks a little odd and it'll make your head look like it has a hump in it, because it's not much to work with as far as parting. However, because they did such a good job with the customization on it and the bleaching of the knots, and because the hair quality is good from my experience, that's not something for me to be complaining about. What I do hope in the future, though, if they haven't already, is to start making these exact wigs in a 13x6 lace frontal form. That would just be like a total game changer. At that point, I'd be okay with going back to wearing frontals occasionally. That's pretty much all that I have to say. I told you guys this was going to be quick, simple, straight to the point. If you guys haven't seen any of my other videos that I've been doing on this particular hair company, I will go ahead and leave them down below, so you guys can just scroll through and see my experiences with this hair company, what are my favorite textures from them, so on and so forth. As always, the link will be down below in my description box. I do appreciate you guys taking the time out to watch this video, and I'll see you guys next time.